Hi friend, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. It is pre-algebra class lecture 26. 26. In this lecture we want to explain some properties of radicals. Uh, let A and B be real number such that the indicated roots are real number real numbers comma variables and or algebraic expression such that the indicated roots are real numbers and let n and m be positive integers then here are some properties we want to write. Property example. We want to write property and example. Property and example. Here is the most popular property of roots. First one, if we have n root of a to the power m, it is equal to n root of a whole to the power m. We can write like this. The example is third root of a to the power 2, it is equal to third root of a whole to the power 2. We know that the third root of a is equal to 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. Number 2, rule 2, if we have radicals which they are multiplying to each other with same index, n root of a into n root of b, it is equal to n root of a into b. We write one radicals with same index, then we multiply the radicand a multiplied by radicand b. In division also we have same rule. N root of a over n root of b, it is equal to n root of a over b. The example of this rule is here, square root of 5 multiplied by square root of 7. It is equal to square root of 5 multiplied by 7. It is equal to square root of 5 multiplied by 7, 35. Here it is equal to 4 root of 27 over 9. If we divide 27 by 9, we get 4 root of 3. It is the answer. Also here, if we have 2 square, 2 root, which they have different index as like this, m root of a. It is equal to we multiply the index, we write one radical. M into A, n multiplied by n is radical A. Example, take root of square root of 10. It is equal to 10 multiplied by 2. 3 multiplied by 2, 6. 6th root of 10. 6th root of 10. If we have like this, n root of n whole to the power n, we cancel a by n, then we get a. Here we have square root of 3 whole to the power 3. These two cancel, then we get 3. Here number 6 for an even integer, n is even integer. N root of a to the power n is equal to the absolute value of a, like this, with a square root of minus 12 whole to the power 2. Here it is, the index is 2, but it is even integer. Radical is negative number, so we can write mod minus 12, it is equal to 12, modulo minus 12, it is equal to 12. For n odd integer, n root of a to the power n is equal to a, every number which is inside the radical. 10th root of minus 12 whole to the power 3 is equal to minus 12. It is the answer. It was the basic rule of algebra roots. In next class we will solve some example about the simplifying of roots, which it is very important. These rules in mathematics, especially in algebra, we have to know this rule to simplify the basic problem of roots. It was the class of 26. Thank you.